Hey, what's up, guys? Sammie is not home at the moment. I want to prepare something for him. Look, we have a lot of balloons. I picked some Disney ones. They are all the same, I guess. I'll try to put something inside. When he's gonna get back, we'll try to shoot them, the balloons, with Nerf guns. I hope it's gonna work. Never done this before. Look, I used some tape here to hold it kind of smaller. Then I'll try to put it into the balloon. Look, just like that. Okay. Is it working? I think so. Okay. And now. Huh? And it is inside. What we got here actually? Cars. Okay, another one. Come on. It's not always easy. It's so stressful sometimes, you know. I'll show you why. I have 4 already, but this one explode. This one too. This one just, you know, didn't work. Sammie is back. Yeah. What are you eating? A cookie again?
That's not a cookie.
It is. Look, Sammie, what we got.
Cookie balloons.
Yes, but we're going to shoot them with Nerf gun, I hope.
Are they Nerf guns or Nerf guns?
Maybe guns. Sammie, this is better than a cookie, you know?
That's not a cookie.
What's that then? Cake? Okay, I'll try to mount the balloons here. Just do not want to destroy the furniture. Much better now. I'll make a hole here. Okay, even bigger. Maybe I'll going to use this. Okay. Then I'll try to put it inside. From this side now. Let's use this. That'll be easier. Okay? And that should work. But it's dangerous, guys. I'm serious. Don't do this alone. Maybe with your daddy, but not alone. And we'll try to shoot the balloons with this. I made 3 of them. Should be enough. Here we have it. All is set. We have 2 guns. Mega. 1 pistol. And my favorite. Not sure it's favorite, but one of my favorite. Rotofari. Here will be our base. You're gonna be there? Which gun you want, Sammie? This one. I'll shoot with the... Just be careful. Be careful. Which way? Shoot this one, okay? So, I can unload it here. Wait a second. You're shooting first?
Yes.
Wow, the biggest one! It works! You get some toys there. We're gonna take it in a second. I'll try to shoot. Which one you want me to shoot, Sammie?
Orange.
I didn't put my glasses actually there, but I have those glasses. Okay, orange one. Look at that. Yes! That's cool, actually. Which one are you gonna shoot?
The blue one.
Oh, you didn't? We need some help. Mommy, can you help us?
Oh.
Be careful. Almost.
Almost.
Can I shoot?
Yes. Aim at it.
See, there is a hole. Trying this one, the red one. There you go.
Finally.
Okay. was nice. I like it.
Yeah.
You can draw something actually on the paper and shoot it. Another one. Can I shoot with this? Or you want to shoot with that one? Actually, wait a second. Yeah!
Hey, but no, another one!
Yes! So, we have one more. Your turn. There you go. Yes! Nice shot, Sammie! Did you like it?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, we need to get out of here. Ah. Let's see what kind of toys we have. First of all, we need to finish with this. I'll take it off. Just like that. Would be tricky to leave it like that and accidentally to shoot someone with that. Oh, that would be painful. Don't do this. Don't do this, guys. Don't do this at home. So that would be good. Series 4? Wow. We have one or two, actually, The Simpsons. Series 13. Adventure Time, Angry Bird, and Ghostbusters. Let's open it.
And it's all.
A yellow bird. That's the bird. It's a hanger, of course.
Ghostbusters.
Go for it.
Okay. Oh. Who
We have
is
a
that?
figure. I don't know them, really. We have one of them. Soldier?
Series 13, Daddy.
Okay.
Oh.
Sheriff, maybe.
Like
Yeah, we have number 2. We get this guy. I think it's a nice minifigure. See, his gun, wanted sign.
And let's say nice guy. Number 4, I think.
Yes, I'm not sure if he's called Aladdin, but something like that. That's the guy in the way.
Yeah.
There is a snake and he plays on the flute.
Who is that again?
That's number 10. Really nice. We heard there is a new series. Oopsie. And the new series is about Lego Batman the movie, but we still cannot get it. We get this guy.
It's a funny one.
Yeah, true.
There we go.
Another Simpson. We get this guy.
Yes.
Cool one.
Time for the adventure time.
Sounds cool. It's time for the adventure time. Nice. Oh, what's that?
It's a dog tanks.
Ah, okay. And that's it.
Yeah.
Cool.
The best one, I think, this one.
Really?
Yeah.
I love the minifigures. Hope you enjoyed this Nerf shooting, popping balloon stuff, guys. Stay in touch and don't forget to click the bell.
Bye bye. Thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and watch us next time and click the bell if you want to get notifications about our videos.